goal with Drew is to double your drawing speed. To do that, we created blueprints. That's what we call the bundle of settings that we use to create a drawing. To view and edit your blueprints, go to Tools, Drew, Settings. You can also open the settings with the gear icon in the task pane. You can see we have 2 blueprints here. Both are visible in the task pane, and one of them is the default. Every time that SOLIDWORKS would create a pop-up, we create a setting in the blueprint. You can store your preferred template, sheet scales, sheet formats or sheet sizes. You can store your preferred nodes, blocks, and whether to add them to each body sheet. You can store whether Drew should add a balloon and a quantity to that balloon, and whether Drew should automatically rotate the weldment views. You can store your export settings. Drew makes it easy to export files with a single click. For every file extension, you can build up a path and a file name using variables. You can store your preferences for flat patterns, so whether to add a flat pattern view automatically, whether to add auto dimensions, whether to show or hide bend nodes, bounding box, and even to rotate the view automatically so it always lays horizontally or vertically. You can choose which sheet names Drew uses for normal sheets and one-to-one flat pattern sheets. You can store your default bill of materials template and cut list template. And you can store all your preferences for views, so the display style, the sheet corner, whether to add a 3D view, and which projected views Drew should add to a normal sheet and to a body sheet. To share your settings with a colleague, go to the first menu and click Start Upload. Drew has now uploaded a text file with your settings to the cloud. Now you can give this access code to a colleague, and when they enter the code, they can download their settings. Click yes, and now they have downloaded and applied your settings.